Always eliminate all power to your appliance before any repairs. The main oven door seal is held on by 4 clips, one in each corner. To remove the door seal, simply unclip each corner. Unpackage the new main oven door seal. Untwist and lay the seal down. This type of door seal is not to be confused with a universal door seal, which is one that you cut to size. Start by attaching your door seal to one corner and then attach to the other 3. Make sure the door seal is flush and doesn't twist. Once attached, make any adjustments so the door seal is nice and straight. And that's it, your new door seal for the main oven is all set to go.